Now, a big update in billionaire inheritance battle. The Delhi High Court has directed late businessman and former Sona Comstar chairman Sanjay Kapur's widow, Priya Kapur, to disclose details of all his movable and immovable assets. The direction came during hearing of a partition suit by his children from his earlier marriage to actor Karishma Kapur. Karishma's children are demanding a share in his estate and questioning genuineness of a will. The court, however, refused to order a status quo on all assets. The High Court also sought a response from all parties in relation to the suit. In her submission, Priya Kapur maintained that Karishma's children have got 1,900 crores in the last 6 days before filing the suit. Priya Kapur told the court that she is the last wife of the deceased billionaire and referred to acrimonious divorce between Sanjay and Karishma and questioned the show of love and affection displayed now.
With your brother's sudden passing, a vacuum has opened at the top of a 30,000 crore company. Do you believe there are vested interests trying to exploit this moment of vulnerability to wrest control of Sona Comstar?
I think it's visible what is going on. I think it's visible that instead of letting the family grieve, everyone's worried about the money and all of that. Everyone's forgotten the legacy, forgotten that my mother's still alive, forgotten that there is a family that exists. We're 3 women left alone. Just because we don't have any men left does not mean we are weak and does not mean that we get thrown out. That's what's happened, is we've been thrown out because we're 3 women left. But my mother is the one who stood behind my father when he built this company. We 3 children were a part of it. We're a part of this legacy, and today we have nothing left. And it seems that it's become more about the money, less about the family and the legacy because we're 3 women left.
You have also said that your family is facing attempts to take away what rightfully belongs to you. And you've just said that there are 3 women who are left in the family now. Who specifically are you referring to? And what is the nature of this challenge to your inheritance?
It's not about my inheritance. It's about my mother who's alive. My mother who is the head of the family, who is being treated as she's nothing. It's not about my inheritance. It's not about my sister's inheritance. It's about what my father did and wanted to achieve, which is my father left everything to my mother. My mother should have everything with her today while she's alive. She is the head of the family, but she's not even at the bottom. She's out. It's not about, this is the whole thing. It's not an inheritance battle. It's a legacy battle. It's a battle of the fact that the founder is still alive and that needs to be respected.
And joining us live is India Today's Shrishti Oja. Shrishti, talking about the suit filed by Karishma's children, what is their main contention? And this will that they are referring to, where does this will come from?
Well, as we know, since the passing of businessman Sanjay Kapur, there has been a dispute ongoing with regard to his estate and the will. And this comes as a major development in the ongoing controversy, because now Karishma Kapur and the 2 children have come into the picture, where they've approached the Delhi High Court through their mother and have filed a civil suit. Now, the civil suit is basically seeking a partition, and they're seeking share from their father's assets. Their case is very simple. Their argument is that both these kids, they are the legal heirs of Sanjay Kapur, and therefore they are entitled to their share in the personal assets of their father. Not just that, they have gone a step ahead and made allegations against Priya Kapur, Sanjay Kapur's wife, claiming that Priya Kapur withheld information from them, also refused to share certain documents, which is basically making them apprehend that Priya Kapur may have taken some steps to fritter away with Sanjay Kapur's assets. They've also claimed that since Sanjay Kapur's passing, they were told, after Sanjay Kapur's passing, both Karishma Kapur and the children were told that there is no will. However, weeks later in a meeting, they were suddenly told that there was in fact a will which was executed by Sanjay Kapur in March this year, which according to them has come in now in mysterious circumstances. So the High Court today has directed Priya Kapur to place a list declaring the details of assets of Sanjay Kapur.
Thank you very much, Shrishti, for those details. So clearly the High Court has now asked for the list of the assets, but said that we are not going to ask them to maintain status quo.